Just catching up on. Oh, this is a great question. What causes Legionnaire outbreaks? Oh wow. Okay, this is Johns Hopkins, published July 29, 2026. Under infectious diseases, environment. Okay. Okay, Legionnaire's disease, also known as the bacteria itself that causes it, Legionella. Warm summer months. Okay, dear God. Look, this is what a water cooling tower looks like. On top of a U.S. Post building. Oh, okay, so this is what cools water. Here we go. They're saying for the second summer in a row, New York City is battling an outbreak of Legionnaire's disease, caused by inhalation of Legionella bacteria. This lower respiratory disease can be fatal. Okay. Only 8,000 to 18,000 people are hospitalized for it every year. That is not that many. So I think we're good. Okay, look at this one. Cities with aging infrastructure are particularly susceptible to Legionnaire's outbreaks, and cooling towers on large office and apartment buildings are a frequent culprit. These appliances, which are used to moderate the heat put off by air conditioning systems, contain water that, at the right temperature, can serve as an ideal bacterial breeding ground. Ooh. Okay. Legionnaire's disease is a type of pneumonia caused by the Legionella bacteria, a waterborne pathogen. Unlike many other pathogens in water that cause vomiting and diarrhea, Legionella causes a lower respiratory infection called Legionnaire's disease. While Legionella is not a leading cause of pneumonia, it is a really important one. Huh. Why? Alright. Okay, here are the symptoms. Oh wow, they test your urine to find out. Wow. And everybody, finally, we've come to a conclusion. Antibiotics will take care of a Legionnaire's infection quite rapidly. But if you don't get medical attention, or if the disease progresses quickly, it can become a dangerous situation. There is a cure, and they're saying that it takes care of it rapidly. So, easy. Okay. Well, that's helpful. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Okay. July 10th. How many days? Like 19 days ago. Math is not my strong suit. 10. What would that be? Yeah, 19. Okay, 19 days ago. The New York City Health Department released for the first time a preliminary list of 31 buildings with cooling towers that tested positive for the presence of Legionella bacteria. So this is good because now we know exactly what buildings tested positive. And this was 19 days ago. How many of those 31 buildings do you think is actually going to clean their cooling tower like thoroughly and oh no. Okay. Alright, I think that's enough for that one. So they're going to receive all of the like very precise Snapchat history and all of the Instagram, all the things, right? From everything that he did that day, that they deleted off his phone. Those sketchy ass mother. What? Like. Oh my goodness. Mother deceivers. In the. What's the word? Like. In the state that they're going to do like a. Hey, do you guys think that we have enough evidence to. incriminate anybody? They're gonna do that little show and dance in front of a panel of what I wish were strangers, but they are residents of the same state, maybe even the same county. That is like so obviously illogical to do if you wanted to have a non-biased review of data. Also, why are they... Give me a moment. Oh yeah, do you guys remember that there was this one guy who was like, you guys make it, like he made like a little video and he was like, you guys make this right, talking to all of the guys on the boat. You guys make this right or I'm telling everybody. Bruh. Why don't you... Oh, you know why? Because then they probably paid him off. And he was like, well, you know, I guess I'm not going to tell nobody. We can't pretend like that's not happening. Like, we can't pretend like they're paying people to speak and, you know, come forward and then, like, you know, the bias part, like, they cannot be biased about the information they share. It just has to be like, treat them just like everybody else. Or, yeah, you like treat them like, actually, you know what it is? It's just do your job. If you just do your job correctly, you're blameless. And that's all I have for you. Oh my gosh, I forgot my intro. Let me do it at the end. Welcome to another episode of Taboo Talk, where we explore things that are hidden, things that are a little bit on the edgy side. Because if you just shine a little light, that can no longer exist in darkness.